Hey guys, it's your boy back with the video, and I'm back. And as you guys can see, I got a buzz cut. Okay, I'm just gonna be filming this with my buzz cut, and I just wanted to tell you guys, I'm so excited to put this out on YouTube. To the places I've been to. I've been to 2 places. My passion is for parrots and birds in general. Of course, I love any type of animal, but my favorite would have to say, I would have to say parrots. So in the last video, you guys saw the perches and toys and things I built. Now, I built a new toy that you guys would understand, and I will show you guys a picture of it. So, boom, this is the toy that I built for Parrot Adoption Education Program, a place where I went to, and I volunteered there. I loved the birds there. I will put some clips here in a sec. I also went to Egyptian Parrot Pet Shop. Awesome guy, told me a lot of cool, interesting facts about birds and how you take care of them and stuff. There was this one cockatoo that I loved, Abby. But yeah, this is gonna be nice, but here are the clips. Enjoy. Do you know how much these birds are? Like the goffins and the gala?
So the goffin is a pair. So the 2 goffins together are 8,000. We don't want to have a pretty boy.
But they're 8,000 years old?
80,000 is it?
Yeah.
Sure, you gonna give me 80,000?
No. Hi, Grumpy. Thank you. Are you coming with you?
Say hi, Miguel. Miguel. Oh. Oh yeah. Can you step up? Oh yeah. Can you step up? Oh, he's scared of the camera. Oh yeah. Wanna go to my shoulder? Ow, ow. Gosh, careful. Hi. On Mexican.
What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing?
Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. If you did, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment.